Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. Let us see what is coming up, guys. We'll be picking a few cards, guys. So, for your general energies first, this is for your general energies, Taurus. So, these three cards are for your general energies, guys, and I'll be picking one card for your career situation and one card for your relationship, guys, and I'll be picking one card from the wisdom oracle deck. So that is our oracle guidance message, and we will open the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. Taurus, so these are the cards. So for your general energies, Taurus, 5 of Wands in reverse, Strength in reverse, 2 of Pentacles in reverse. Taurus, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, today you may be getting some important communication, some letters regarding your work, maybe some financial deals or some legal documents. Some important form of communication is coming your way, guys. Maybe the news, it may or may not be a good thing, but that is what I see here. So something, maybe some situation is stressing you out in your maybe in your work or in your relationship, guys. You may be having some disagreements or some kind of stressful situation, but that will maybe if it is in your relationship, that will work to your benefit. Maybe you will fight and make up and have more clarity about what you both are, and you may it may act as a stepping stone into your understanding, guys, for some of you. That is what I see here. So something bad, it may turn out to be a working thing for you here. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, you may hold an important position in your work. Maybe you are a team leader or you are a manager, something top level in your workplace, or you may be in your business too. You may hold an important position. So people, the way you do your work, you do it in a particular way. You have a way of dealing with things, maybe based on your ideals, and you have a strict way of communicating. You want to do your work in a particular way, and you keep the people who are working under you in that path, just like you, to make them work perfectly. So that may turn out as and those people may think that you are pressuring them, you are using your position to make them do that work, maybe abusing your power. Some of them may feel that way, guys. So that is also the energy here. Let us see what are these cards. So this card will be placed for your career situation, guys. 9 of Pentacles. So I see here that you are happy where you are. Maybe you are in this position today. Whatever is happening today, whatever is supposed to come today, some sense of fulfillment and accomplishment of success is there today for you all, guys. Maybe in your work things are going well, but we see here that you are stressed in maybe it may be some minor tension in your work, or it may be something to do with your relationship, guys. That may be the stressful thing happening today. So with this card for your career, I feel you are happy where you are right now with your work, how you do your work, what position you hold in your work. So you are absolutely happy. Let us see what is this card for your relationship, guys. King of Swords. So again with this card, the energy is that you are a person of great strength, and you do your you have a determined way of doing things, that a confidence, courage and strength you show in each and every decision and each and every action that you take. So this person feels that they can rely on you for strength, guys, and you are ready to jump into action. So whatever is the situation, you are there. That is what they feel. They feel that they can rely on you, that you are there for them always, ready always. So that is the way they feel, or this may be the way you feel about your person. So that is the energy with this card, guys. Something it shows a great compatibility between you both. You have that understanding, affection I see here, and you have that responsibility in this relationship. You take that responsibility. That is what I see here. So you are a person of responsibility. You want to take responsibility in this relationship. So you are surely putting those efforts. That is what I see here with this card. So this card shows action. So you want to be that responsible person in this connection, make this connection work, have that beautiful understanding. You are working towards that. That is what I see here. So let us see what is the oracle guidance card. So this card will relate to our work situation or our relationship, guys. So whatever deep thoughts or whatever stress you may be having inside you, so this card will answer that. Taurus, let us see what is the card now. A leg up. Taurus, with this card, the energy for you all guys is that in life sometimes, maybe always, we have that attitude. We want to do everything all by ourselves. We do not want others' help. So today, this oracle guidance for us is to delegate authority, receive help from others. So not always we can do everything all by ourselves. So today we will be in touch with the people who will come in our life to help us. So what is the part we have to play? We have to just be ready to accept that help when it is coming our way, accept that interdependence and teamwork, guys. So in our relationship, to make our relationship work, go better, get better, we need to have that interdependence. So you must allow this person to support you, and you can also be supportive of them when the time comes. So if you are vulnerable, if you feel you need something, you have to speak that out, whatever you are wishing for, and you can ask it to be fulfilled, and it will that fulfillment will come with love and kindness, guys. So we cannot expect others to just read our mind. We have to speak those words. That is what I see here. And even in your work situation, you will have people who are working for you, employees, your business partners. Your business would have grown to such a level, you cannot do everything alone. You have to have that team to help you out. You need that interdependence in your work, guys. So whatever helps comes your way, you have to take that up and move forward towards the big dreams that you are having. So that is what is the oracle's guidance here, guys. So there is no point in insisting of doing everything all by yourself. So sometimes we need to take that help, admit that we are vulnerable. Being vulnerable is good. Sometimes we will learn something out of it, guys. So when you let someone else help you, you can also do that to that person or somebody else when that situation arises. So that is what this oracle's guidance is, guys, Taurus. So when you need help, you have to ask it. When you ask it, it will be given. That is what is the oracle's guidance for you all, guys, and that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Taurus. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, Taurus.